Hi students, you are welcome back. Today we are going to consider uniform circular motion. Now let's consider a body performing circular motion. This way. We have the body this way. Okay, now at this particular instance, you realize that the body is pointing to this direction. Let's say at another, or for some time, you realize that maybe the body might have reached this point. So let's say at this point, let's say the body will try to point in this direction. Let's say at this point, let's say the body will point to this direction. Let's say you have a body, the same body, let's say at this point, let's say to point to this direction. What is happening? You can deduce that as the body is performing a circular motion at a particular instant, realize that the direction of the body keeps changing. The direction is not constant. Why? At this particular instant, look at the velocity, look at where it is pointing to, look at the direction. It's pointing to this direction. At this particular instant, the direction keeps changing. At this particular instant, it's pointing this way, and this particular instant is pointing that way. So if a body is undergoing circular motion, take note of this, the direction keeps changing. It is not constant. And now that's where velocity will set in. You can employ velocity over here because velocity is more pronounced when there is a direction. Please, are you okay? So because the direction keeps changing, we say velocity. That's where we can introduce the word velocity over here. So now you can say that as a body is performing circular motion, the velocity attained by the body keeps changing. Why are we saying the velocity attained by the body keeps changing? The velocity of the body keeps changing along the curved path, all because the direction keeps changing. So it changes. So therefore, we say the velocity of a body, or velocity of bodies performing circular motion, is not constant. Now let's come to the speed. So that means it is not possible for a body performing circular motion to move with a constant velocity. It is never true, because direction will by all means what? Change. So now, because direction affects velocity, you know that velocity is a vector quantity. And what's a vector quantity? A vector quantity is any quantity with a magnitude and a specific direction. Please, are you okay? So now let's consider speed over here. And you know that speed is a scalar quantity, right? But here, one thing you need to know here is, here the velocity of the body keeps what? Changing. Keeps changing, but the speed of the body remains constant. Please, are you okay? The speed of the body along a circular path, or whenever a body is performing circular motion, the speed of the body remains constant. It doesn't change, but velocity is affected, all because direction keeps changing. So now, when you have, I hope you understand now the difference between the speed and the velocity with respect to circular motion over here. So velocity is a vector quantity, whereas speed is a scalar quantity. Now, whenever you have a circular motion such that the speed of the body remains constant, or the speed of the body doesn't change, That is where we give the name uniform circular motion. So uniform circular motion is a type of motion in which or whereby the speed of the moving body remains constant. Please, I hope you understand. So thank you. I'll meet you again. Bye bye.